Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you the Windows update which I have been recently got from Windows 10. The version is 2004. So I have already downloaded the update. I just need to update it, like restart it. So as you can see here, I think everyone knows how we do the update. So you just need to go to start menu and type Windows update. So this screen will pop up. As you can see here, Windows update. So it shows that Windows feature update to Windows 10 version 2004 pending restart. So as I have said you before, I have downloaded and installed the update. So I just need to restart it now, and we will see after the restart how it looks. So without further ado, let's just restart it now. So I think it will take some time, so I'll just go ahead and play the video again. Rebooting again from start. It'll take some couple more minutes. So it says do not turn off your PC. This will take some while. And you should also remember this process, if you're doing it on your laptop, you need to keep your laptop on charge, and then you have to do the update, and this PC or laptop will restart several times. So you need not panic. So you just need to wait. So it will automatically restart your laptop or your PC. Finally started it, and just need to log in. So here it is, the new Windows 10 update version 2004. So